you're clear.
Not yet, sir.
Who's that?
He's in the other parking lot, right over there. He's right there. Taking the shit out of it.
Where's he at?
Got a pistol. Right ahead. Right ahead.
354, right, what's that vehicle description?
2-3. He's gonna have a weapon. Can I get another unit to show up?
How are you? Where are you at?
At the Moonshine Deck parking lot across the street on the other side. Oh, the one in the black? Hey, come here. Hey, he's running. Hey, don't fucking move. Head down. Don't move. Don't, hey. Shots fired. He's running west, on West Sunny. Hey, stop running. Hey, stop running. Hey. Get down. Don't fucking move. Don't move.
Back up the gun.
He dropped it somewhere over there. Hey, he dropped the gun somewhere over there by the Moonshine Deck parking lot.
I'm gonna be at 1300. Time 16, show me loud.
I located the weapon already. Anybody got some gloves or a bag? Hey, don't fucking move. Head down. Don't move.
Time 16, show me loud.
I located the weapon already. Anybody got some gloves or a bag?